Tuesday, 3rd of March, 2026. There's no cell phone coverage. This is Griffin Ridge, the top area up there. And we're about to hit some deep sand. I haven't been down to the Gator Pond in a while. I just checked with a girl. She said this sand can be 6 to 8 feet deep. We usually hit this sand pretty quick so as not to stop. This van does have limited slip, but that doesn't mean anything. This sand gets wet, it turns into mush. Sugar sand turns into swamp quicksand. Hopefully we don't meet anybody coming in and out. You can feel it bog down. If we have to stop, we may not get started back. We should have went by the, the worst part's up here. We should have went by the Tractor Supply and see if we could get some of those track things. We've seen fox squirrel, we've seen gopher tortoise, we found blood on the trail, on the road here. Whoa. Fish-tailed in his sand too. There's a neat little gator pond and campsite down here. I don't remember right now whether we've gone through the worst of the sand or not. I can't remember. I think we have. Yeah, it gets firm right here. Okay, we can slow down now. There are gators in this pond down here. Right in here is where I found that blood one morning. You could tell there had been some kind of altercation between a couple of critters, and you know, the cycle of life. All of them have to eat. Everything has to eat. So, and then over here to the left, I think back a little bit, or it might be right up here, is where we saw a fox squirrel, and there was a hawk hunting him. The hawk had seen him, but couldn't quite put his eye on him. And the fox squirrel, that's all we could do to see him. I think, yeah, I've got a picture of him somewhere. And he was hugging a tree limb. I mean, you had to know where he was to see him. I mean, he just blended in perfect. Now, there's a little walking trail down here too, a little nature trail. And this is a check station down here, or, you know, a cleaning place. They've got a place to clean your game. See where these stakes are sitting up? That's where the gopher tortoise holes are, and out there in the field, they got a food plot out there. How far it was down through here. Should have checked the mileage before we started off down here. Yeah, they've cultivated some of this. They've got some food plots planted, I think. I think you got hog, you know, wild hog, deer, probably turkey. Road to the left there. We've been out that road too. You know, here's this nature trail. a sandwich when we get down here. What y'all want to eat? I've got some egg salad, I've got popcorn, I've got some peanut butter crackers. This would be a good campsite down here. I don't know if anybody be down here tonight or not. Turkey season hadn't started. Maybe small game, maybe rabbit or squirrel, I don't know. I hadn't kept up with hunting season in a long time. Tend to get a little bit further away from the van than we usually do, because this van does have security on it. Of course, if we're off 100 yards or so, somebody'd already have anything we've got and be gone, but at least it would sound the horn when they got in. Okay, little gator ponds here on the right. I think the girl called this fountain hole, I think. I've seen people fishing here, but I haven't seen anybody catch anything. I think we actually fished here once, but didn't catch anything. I have seen gators out there. Oh! 3500 suspension is not friendly. There you go. There's a gator over there now. Yeah, that scaredy cat gator, he just slithered into the water. He's a scaredy gator. He was right over there on the bank. Scaredy gator. He's a scaredy gator. Now I think this has like kitchen facilities, but I've never seen it open. I don't know how you would maybe get in touch with the Department of Natural Resources and rent it, but I'm not sure of that. It looks like it's got propane there. If there's any propane in it or not, I don't know. Never seen the door open or seen inside of here, so people are still using that for fires, but that thing's about had it there. Out here is where you camp. I guess that's a water tank. I don't know what that is. Well, there's no pipes going up or down it though. Must be a fire tower, you reckon? I don't know what that is.